Hey everyone, Dr. Bell here with Dr. Bell Health, and today we're going to be talking about gut health. And specifically, we are going to spotlight a supplement, Sodium Butyrate by BodyBio. So let's break down why this postbiotic is a game changer for your health. And before we do that, I want to remind you that this is for educational purposes only. It's not medical advice, and talk to your doctor before you take any vitamins or supplements. And if you stick around, I will share with you where you can get BodyBio products at a special discount just for watching this. Butyrate is an essential end product of a healthy gut microbiome, primarily fueling your gut cells. So think of it as the ultimate energy source for your gut lining. It helps to strengthen and heal it, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. So if you ever heard a leaky gut, butyrate is your go-to defender. It helps heal and seal the gut lining, keeping unwanted toxins and waste out of your bloodstream, which we all want. Now, why is it important? A strong gut lining means better nutrient absorption and improved overall gut health. Plus, say goodbye to constipation. Butyrate helps move everything along smoothly in your digestive tract. Before we talk more about the benefits of butyrate, specifically BodyBio Butyrate, I want to share with you where you can purchase it at a steep discount. All you have to do is go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com, and join our full script store. Better prices than Amazon, better prices than on the BodyBio website, and you get free shipping and free returns, and your favorite brands are there. There are hundreds of brands, thousands of products. If you're looking for Metagenics, Biotics Research, Thorne, Microbiome Labs, Pure Encapsulation, you name it, they are there and at a discount. All right, so the benefits of butyrate don't just stop in the gut. Once absorbed into the bloodstream, it supports a healthy inflammation response, which helps to protect the body from various diseases while regulating immune function. It also plays a role in balancing insulin and blood sugar levels, which is vital for metabolic health. So if you're struggling with brain fog or low energy, butyrate can help clear that fog and boost that brain function, giving you more clarity and focus throughout the day. It even supports healthy DNA and cell differentiation, which is crucial for cells to function properly. It does a ton of stuff in our body. Unfortunately, many of us don't produce enough of it naturally. Factors like low fiber intake, repeated antibiotic use can deplete it, and this is where BodyButyrate steps in. It's a simple formulation of butyric acid and minerals, and it's designed to protect your gut at the cellular level. BodyBio Butyrate is available in two unique formulations. There's a calcium magnesium and a sodium butyrate. And today we're focusing on the sodium butyrate. It's free of fillers, additives, wheat, gluten, yeast, corn, soy, dairy, artificial colors, and resins. It has a distinct fermented scent, but that just makes you know that it's high quality and ready to work. So incorporating BodyBio Sodium Butyrate into your routine can help promote detoxification, regulate immune function, reduce inflammation, boost your mood and energy, and support healthy blood sugar regulation. There's over 5,000 scientific studies backing its benefits, including human clinical trials, so you can trust that this supplement is powerful and ready to help. So if you're looking to take your gut health to the next level, give BodyBio Sodium Butyrate a try. Your gut will thank you, and so will the rest of your body. Don't forget, you can purchase it and other BodyBio products at a steep discount at our full script store. You just go to drbellhealth.com, drbellhealth.com. Free shipping, free returns, and it doesn't cost you anything to join. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Dr. Bell, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.